Hey guys. You guys remember my name, right? Who remembers my name? Somebody. Mr. Baldwin. Can everybody say Mr. Baldwin? Mr. Baldwin. Good. So I'm going to be doing a quick lesson with you guys today. All right. We're going to be learning a lesson that you probably already did. Okay. We're going to do it again. This time we're going to think about some new ways we can add tens and ones. Okay. All right. So the title of our lesson is Tens and Tens, Ones and Ones. Okay, can you guys say the title? Tens and tens, ones and ones. Tens and tens, ones and ones. Good. Our goal for today, we're focusing on adding two-digit numbers. Our goal again is to add two-digit numbers. What's our goal for today? Add two-digit numbers. Great. Right. Okay, so our warm-up is called How Many Do You See? Tens and ones. You need a paper? We'll get you a paper. I'm going to show you guys some quick images, all right? When you see the picture on the board, I want you to think about two questions. How many do you see? And how do you see them? What's the two questions that we're going to be thinking about, Serenity?
What do you see and how do you see them?
Yes. How many do you see and how do you see them? Okay. I want you to look at this image. Think about it in your head. How many do you see here and how do you see them? Okay. I'm going to give you 30 seconds and you're going to tell your partner. Okay. Take 30 seconds and think. Take another 10 seconds. Not yet. Well, you can if you want to. You can. All right. Turn and talk to your partner. Tell your partner how many do you see and how do you see them. Okay. Turn to the person sitting right next to you. So I will talk to you. How do you see them?
13 and 16, but I see 19.
Do you see any groups of anything?
I see 7,
Okay, who can share? How many do you see and how do you see them? What do you tell your partner? Let's start with this Sim.
I see 14 and I see.
Where do you see 14 at?
I said 14.
You said 13? Where?
Up top.
Top here? Good. 13 right at the top. Good. All right.
I see 16 circles on the bottom.
Okay, this is 16 circles on the bottom. Good job. Kiss your brain, sir. Where does anybody see any groups of anything? What's your name again?
Good afternoon, and please excuse the outbuilding announcement. If you own a gray Toyota with license plate KXU 3778, again, a gray Toyota KXU 3778. Please call the main office immediately. Thank you.
Okay. Go ahead. Do you see groups of anything?
Yeah, I see groups of 5 and another group of 5 and a group of 6 and a group of 3.
Where do you see a group of 5 at?
2 5s, 2 5s. I see a group of 2 5s.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Good. Does anybody see a group of anything else? I'm gonna call on a silent hand. Yes.
I see groups of the red. I see the groups of 10 in the top, and I see groups of 10 in the bottom.
Good. He just said, what did he just say? No, that's not what he said. Repeat it one more time. You guys gotta look at the speaker.
I said that in the top there's a 10 reds, in the bottom there's 10 yellow.
Good. He said he sees a group of 10 red and a group of 10 yellow on the top and bottom. Okay. All right, let's move on. Yeah, we can write your names. Another one for you, all right? Look at this image on the board. It's a new one. I want you to think about the same 2 questions. How many do you see and how do you see them? Take 30 seconds, look at the picture, think about it, and then you're going to turn to tell your partner. Okay, turn and talk to your partner. How many do you see and how do you see them? Turn to your partner. Go.
I see 18. Red.
How do you see them? How do you see them? You see 7 tens? Where do you see 7 tens?
I mean, I see a red 10, and yellow 10.
Okay. How many groups of 10 do you see?
I see 2.
2 groups of 10. Good. So do I. Okay, guys, who can tell me how many do you see? What did you tell your partner, and how do you see them? Yes.
I see 10 reds and 1 of red
Good.
and 10 yellow.
Good job. Good job. How many ones do you see? Is somebody else help me out? How many red ones do you see? Serenity.
I see 8 red ones, and I see yellow, 2 yellow.
Good job. All right. All right, we'll move forward.
Oh, I got
We'll skip these ones.
Wait, skip one.
Okay, guys, we're going to start our activity, all right? So, activity 10.1 is called Priya's Work. So first, you guys are going to look at the student's work, all right? There's a student, I'm going to show you a picture of her work. She did a problem, just like we're going to be doing today, all right? And you're going to work with your partner to write an explanation of how she solved her work. And then finally, we'll talk about it all together. Okay, first. Okay, guys. So the question or the statement here is find the value of 37 plus 26. All right. You see here that Priya also solved this problem. 37 plus 26. I think it's because I'm sharing the screen. You know what? It's all good. It's totally fine. So we see 37 plus 26. Right now, when I'm thinking about how to solve this, guys, I'm thinking about how many 10s I see in 37. I see the number 3 here. That means there's 3 10s because there's a 3 in the 10s place, all right? All right? Then I see a 2 in the 26, which is a 2 in the 10s place. That means that there's 2 10s in 26. When I look here, I can count how many 10s I see. So it looks like she did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. She has 5 10s, okay? That's because she added 3 plus 2, which gives her 5 10s, all right? Now I'm looking at my numbers in the ones place. In 37, I see 7 ones, right? In 26, I see 6 ones. When I add 7 plus 6, I can get 13, which is what she shows us here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What do you think Priya does next to find out how much she has altogether? Lewis, right?
Jaden.
Jaden. All right. How do you think she found out how many she has altogether?
Because she counted all of them together. So she first counted the 10.
Say it one more time. Loud and proud.
That she counted all of the she just count the 10 first and then the ones.
Good. So Jaden just said that she counted the 10s first and then all of her ones. Can you count the 10s and count all of the ones with your partner? Take 30 seconds and we're going to figure out how much she has altogether and come back as a class. Can I get a silent hand? How many does Priya have altogether? Messiah. 63. And how do you think Priya found out the answer to her work of 63? What did she do? Did she count all of them by ones? Everything by ones? Did she do 63 ones and count them all out individually? No, what did she do?
She did the 10s and then the 1 and she counted all together that she got the answer.
Good job. Who can repeat what Messiah just told us? Serenity.
He said that.
He said that Priya added up all of her 10s, and then she added up all of her 1s, put them together to count them all together, and she got the answer 63. Okay. Well, I'm going to move on from this because I want to see how well you guys can do this, all right? All right, guys, so we're going to move on to the next activity. We're going to finish the work. It's called finish the work. So we're going to solve some more 2-digit expressions, okay, guys? Okay. So it's telling us each expression shows a first step to find the number that makes each equation true. For example, here, you see 28 plus 56. They took the tens first. They took the tens from 28, which is 20. Then they took the tens from 56, which is 50, and they added them together. All right, but they're not finished yet. They didn't finish adding their ones to find their final answer. Okay? It's our job to finish it for them. All right? So we're going to finish the work to find the number that makes each equation true. We're going to show our thinking on our whiteboards or on our papers. All right? Using tens and ones. And then if you want, you can also use words or sentences to help you. All right? So we're going to start with the letter A. Okay, I want you to take 5 minutes to independently work, or you can work with a partner. You can work with the person sitting next to you if you would like. But you can also work independently. I want you to solve letter A, okay, guys? It's 28 plus 56. Make sure you show me your work using your tens and your ones. Go ahead.